One more here.
Inserting armor.
Oh, near bot.
10 by.
Dead. Someone there. Me. Hey. Pushing on blue, pushing on blue. Pushing on blue. I think. Where the fuck is he? Yeah, I seen him. Dead.
Changing max.
Yeah, dead boy.
Enemy removed.
Nice. Him already, bro. Hit him. Motherfucker wanted to beat me to death.
You've got gas moving in.
Oh shit. Me. Top of the hill. Just one person, I'm pushing him.
Enemy
Dead.
silenced.
Dead.
Bring home the win.
Top 5, yeah, come. This is our win. Come.
People with snipers.
Hey, wait. They're pushing you. I seen him. But he is dead. He is dead. Don't be joking like that, bro.
Don't let up now.
Top 3, bro.
I'm going for him.
Top 3. Oh, sniper on top of that roof. That roof there.
Setting
Gas is
waypoint.
closing in.
Have anyone got like cluster strike or something? Drop it there. He's jumping down. Push him. He's jumping down. Come. There.
Hostile shooter. Changing
I
max.
cracked him. Shut up, bro.
Enemies deleted.
Wait.
Squad to the safe zone.
Come here.
Leave no one behind.
Changing max.
Behind me. He just jump. Wait, push him over there. I'll get this one. Okay, cool. Get him. I'll push him. Come. On me, come.
I'm coming, wait. Coming, where?
Come on me. Running. See that? Yeah, I see him.
I didn't know it was in the building. Okay.
No. Dead.
Now finish it.
What's it?
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Let's find him. There's one of them. I just turned on UAV. On me.
Inserting armor.
He's upstairs.
Nah, he's a. Calm down.
No, I'm dead.
Changing max.
Ah, fuck, there you gone.
Come, I killed him.
That's what they keep